Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to find the URL of an Instagram profile. We will start by opening Instagram and entering the profile that interests us. Now we are going to click on the 3 upper dots and then on Copy Profile URL. Now we have the profile URL copied and we can paste it wherever we want. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.